You're scrolling online, hit with wild headlines and viral posts. But how do you know what's real? AI's now hunting fake news to save us from lies. Stick around to discover how it works and learn pro tips to spot fakes yourself. Welcome back, fam. The internet's a jungle. Fake stories, deepfakes, and scams are everywhere, tricking millions daily. In this video, we'll dive deep into how AI catches online lies, explore real-world examples, and share 5 practical tips to keep you from getting fooled. Smash that like button, subscribe, and let's get woke to the truth. So, how does AI fight fake news? It's like a super smart librarian who's read the entire internet. AI uses natural language processing, fancy talk for understanding text, and machine learning to spot lies. These tools scan articles, posts, even videos for sketchy patterns, like odd phrasing, exaggerated claims, or sources that don't check out. For example, researchers at Keele University in 2024 built an AI that detects fake news with 99% accuracy by cross-checking claims against trusted databases. That's next level. AI also tracks how stories spread. Fake news often goes viral fast with bot accounts pushing it. AI can map these networks and flag suspicious activity. Take the 2024 election cycle. AI tools caught fake posts claiming voting. Machines were hacked, saving officials from chaos. But it's not just text. AI is getting good at spotting deepfakes, those creepy fake videos. It looks for tiny flaws, like unnatural blinks or wonky lip sync. In 2025, a viral video claimed a celebrity endorsed a scam product. AI flagged it as a deepfake by spotting distorted hand movements, and fact-checkers confirmed it was fake. This stuff saves us from falling for traps. But hold up. AI isn't a superhero. It's got flaws. Sometimes it misfires. Take Grok, created by XAI. In 2024, it wrongly labeled old war footage as a new missile strike, sparking panic online. Why? AI can struggle with context. It's great at patterns but doesn't always get the full story, like sarcasm or cultural nuances. Another issue? Bad training data. If AI is fed biased or incomplete info, it can spread misinformation itself. In 2023, an AI tool amplified a fake story about a canceled video game because its data was skewed by fan forums. And let's not forget, bad actors can trick AI with clever wording or doctored metadata. So, while AI is a powerful ally, we can't just trust it blindly. Humans still need to be the final judge. All right, let's arm you with 5 pro tips to spot fake news yourself. Number 1, check the source. Is it a legit outlet like CNN or BBC, or some shady blog with no about page? Cross-check claims on trusted sites. Tip 2, inspect images and videos. Deepfakes often have glitches. Think weird hands, blurry edges, or unnatural backgrounds. Use tools like Google Reverse Image Search to see if a photo's been recycled. Tip 3, trust your gut. If a headline screams aliens landed in Miami, it's probably clickbait. Outrageous stories are designed to hook you. Pause and dig deeper. Tip 4, hit up fact-checking sites. Snopes, WeVerify, and PolitiFact are your friends. They debunk viral claims fast. For example, Snopes caught a fake story about a politician's secret scandal in 2024 before it spread too far. Tip 5, don't share without verifying. Sharing fake news fuels the fire. Double-check before you hit retweet. Ask, does this make sense? Where's the evidence? Be the truth's gatekeeper. So, can AI save us from fake news? It's a game changer, but not a cure-all. AI is awesome at spotting patterns and flagging fakes fast, but humans are unmatched at understanding intent and context. The future's all about teamwork, AI as the first filter, and us adding the human touch to verify. Together, we can make the internet a place where truth goes viral, not lies. What do you think? Can AI and humans team up to beat fake news? Drop your thoughts in the comments and vote in our poll. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more. Want to try fact-checking tools? Links are in the description. Stay sharp, fam. See you in the next one.